Long nails on guys are funny, awkward, or maybe useful? Check out what happens when men have super long nails in our new video. It was just a regular day at a cafe. Here's your Coke. Thanks. Oh no, my nail! This is a tragedy. What do I do? Have you seen those girls? My nail is broken. My life is over. I won't survive this. These guys can't relate to our problems, but we'll teach them a lesson. Help! I'm about to have a heart attack. Manicurious totalis! Feel the power of girls' nails. Good luck, guys! Good morning, world! What's this? I have long nails! Oh no! I have to do something about it! I'll get rid of them! My teeth aren't helping! Let's take drastic measures! Okay, nails! Let's see who's stronger! I won't give up just like that! Nothing works! This must be a curse! I need my friend to help me! Come on, bro! Saw harder! Ah! They're still here! Nothing worked! This is a disaster! How do I live with these nails? I need to call Stan right now! This is terrible! How do they dial a number with these nails? Hi, man! Hi, Alex! This is all your fault! You shouldn't have made those girls angry! My nails grew a mile long, too! So what do we do now? I just have to button my shirt! Buttons and nails are the worst match! Fine, I'll keep it like this. Stan's boss is mad at him. Come in, Employee of the Year! You are late again! Your report is bad, and you look like a mess. Stan, you're fired! That's it! He reached his limit! Don't make our office Wolverine angry! Fire someone else! I'm staying here! Got it? Are bullies ruining your romantic walk? Look, there are 3 of them! Christy, stay calm. I'll take care of it. Hey, buddy, let's talk. Talk to my kung fu, you jerks. Come at me one by one. I'll take care of everybody. Kaya! The chi of my nails is coming out. We got it. So sorry. We didn't mean to. Run! Stanley, you are so brave. Alex wants to get into the manliest biker bar. Buddy, hang on. You don't fit the dress code. Why do you have nails? In fact, you don't look manly enough at all. What? Let's fight, and I'll show you how manly I am. Arm wrestling? That's too easy. And you try copying this trick. Look what I can do. I'm so fast and… Ah! My finger! Look, I missed it! My finger! Haha! Got you, guard! This is my fake finger! You can keep it! And here's my trophy! On the house! I'll try washing my hair! Oh man! Where are my fingertips? I have to scratch my head with my nails! It doesn't feel nice! Stanley lost all his hair after all that harsh scrubbing. Ah! Now I'll have to wear a towel all the time. So, Stan, let's chase our troubles with a good old can of Coke. Look at them! Nice nails, guys! Aren't you late to your nail appointment? What? Are you talking to us? Just hang on, bully. We'll put a nail curse on you. Manicurist totalis! Feel the power of girls' nails! Miss, why are you breaking the rules? Let me… Ah! You're not a miss at all! This is my favorite singer. He's so good at playing the guitar. And now, let's sing together. Whoops! Where's my guitar pick? Where did it go? I can't play without it! Ew! What a terrible musician! Hey you, with the nails! Come up to the stage. I have an idea. This is how Alex's long nails saved a whole concert. Shopping is real torture for these boys. Honey, this was an amazing sale. Here, can you carry one more bag? No! But I just got my nails done. Honey, my nails are more precious than yours. Let's see whose are longer. It's obvious who's going to carry the bags home now. There's a new intern at Alex's bar. Show me what you got, newbie. Make a nice drink for the girls. Well, not bad, but far from perfect. Watch and learn. Alex uses his long nails instead of a bar spoon. Done! Here's your drink, ma'am. That's how it's done, intern. Aw, I'm nowhere near perfect. Let's go on a picnic. Now I don't even need a knife. Alex, help! Oh, a cucumber. Hands off. Go roast sausages. Roast sausages? Easy. I just need to start a fire. A lighter? Not for me. On the other hand, I can make a spark with my nails. Hey, Stan, look what I can do. This is a secret technique from the Fire Nation from Avatar. Boom! And you have fire! Wow! Alex, you are so talented! Now let's roast sausages! This smells amazing! I nailed it! Why use forks when we have long nails? I just need sauce. Stan, can you help? This package is so hard to open. I don't get along with cats, but I can always cut it open with my long nails. Dip your fries right in here. Yummy! Thank you, Stan. Oh, what a guy! Hi, hottie! Can I have the best drink on the menu? Sure! What's that? Look at those nails! This is too much! Bye, Edward Nail Hands! We don't belong together! Oh no! At this rate, I might never get a girlfriend! Stan, don't worry. We'll make our curse help us. I'll show you how to flirt. Good evening! What would you like? The tastiest drink? Sure! Only the best for you! Whoa! Your nails are so nice! How do you take care of them? It's pretty easy. I'll share all my manicure secrets with you. See, Stan? It's easy! Oh, your hands are so soft! Time to get going! I'm late already! How do I get dressed? I found a clean sock. That's lucky! Where's the other one? Here! Well, let's go! Turns out putting on socks isn't easy. I can't do it! Why won't my fingers work? Stay calm! Let's start from the beginning. No! I came up with a brilliant hack! Kitchen tongs! Oh no! It's over! It kinda worked, or not. Is your back itching? You need to come up with a way to scratch it. A headboard? No! How about the mattress? I just have to find the perfect angle. No! Oh, a useless statue. It finally came in handy. No! What about the corner of a dresser? Whoops! My phone! Hold on. I got an idea. I have super long nails now. Here's the perfect back scratcher. Now I can scratch my own back. Alex already learned to use his phone with his long nails. But he still isn't used to the elevator. That was my belly button, idiot! Not the elevator button! Excuse me! Oh no! My nail! It's broken! This This is a tragedy! Oh, honey, I totally understand! Losing nails is so painful! Stay strong, girl! May the force be with you! What? Our nails? They disappeared! The curse is gone! Yay! We are free and manly again! Did you like our life hacks for guys with long nails? Then comment below what you would do if you had super long nails. Roast sausages, make a drink, or scare bullies away? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss hilarious new videos from Troom.